All right, so I've taken off the previous treadmill deck that I made, and the reason I'm redoing this is because I have two different types of metal, and it's been about 1,000 miles. So I wanted to take it off and see how it's done, how the wear is going along, if the surface is still smooth, etc. So it's actually done really well. All right, so first look at this. You see where the metal doesn't necessarily exceed the entire width of the board. I've got two different pieces of metal because I couldn't find one at the time that was long enough, but now on the current board that I'm making, it's a full length piece. The metal itself, so this, I mean, they're both very slick. If you dig your nails into it, it's very slick. This one's much slicker, however. So I think this one was causing a little bit more drag. And this is super, super slick. And it actually had a type of design in this where it was like a wrinkly design. But I think with the weight and the compressions over time, it smoothed it out really well. Let's get a little bit closer look. All right, look how smooth it is. And it's got a layer of silicone on it. So it's actually much smoother. Over here on the side, it's a little rougher. But right here through the middle where the majority of the weight went, it's way smooth. It came up off there, but the rails were holding it on. It still did really well. Of course, in the very back, it looks like this hasn't even been compressed, and it looks like the back of the footprints go to about right here. So the majority of the wear on the entire deck is going to be something like this section right here, coming all the way down through here. So right here where you see it's the shiniest, but very smooth. I'm impressed by how smooth this is. And putting the new treadmill deck on it. So thanks for watching this video. Keep up to date, and I'll be making another one. So check out for the notifications. Check the description in the bottom. Thanks.